The Steppe, Final Frontier. The year is 630 AD, 80 years after the founding of the state by Bumin and Istemi. The great empire of the famous Gokturks has fallen apart. The ruling dynasty of the Ashina clan has failed to defend its borders. While the Eastern Turks are being overrun by the new Tang dynasty in China, the lives of the Western Turks have been shaken by a series of political assassinations. There is no longer a central authority watching over the steppe belt of Eurasia. But amid hostile invasions and internal civil wars, the Turkic peoples of the 7th century are taking matters into their own hands. Despite all the upheavals, they founded brand new and stable states. The Khazars dominate the Caucasus, while the Turkic Shahi rule Kabul and its surroundings. The Yabgus of Tokhara defy the Arab invasions in Bactria, and the Syr Tardush bravely resist the Chinese in East Asia. But the Ashina dynasty is far from finished. Using espionage and sabotage, they have a daring mission to restore the Göktürk Khaganate. Will they succeed in ending the foreign rule of the Turks? Or will they, in their quest for revenge, bury the Ashina dynasty and everything it ever stood for once and for all? Who will inherit the legacy of Bumin and Istemi? Only time will tell who was right and who was not.